Here's Mark and Neva. We're here at the Fjords in Norway, and beautiful snow-capped mountains for the glacier. And here we are very close to the waterfall, and you can hear the water rushing. Listen to that. Beautiful. So come with us, Eva and Mark, as we take you. I'm going to get a little closer to the waterfall. I know, I'm getting closer. Oh, how wonderful. Thank you. Oh, wow. Look how fantastic. You can see the water coming from the top. You can hear it as well. Yeah, just wonderful. I'm going to turn around and get a photo. So come with us, Eva and Mark. Take you to Norway.